What are you doing? What? Go away.
What?
Go away.
What you doing?
Chilling out.
What you doing?
Oh, why? It's so beautiful. Oh my god, it says passionate on it. And it's covered in fabric. Oh. My second parcel is from Glassons. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's got the celestial bag. It's gold hardware, which I don't usually go for. But it's a knockoff. I'm pretty sure it's a knockoff of something I've seen before. And it's got a moon on it. And I got a note. Hello! And welcome to a new vlog. Today, this morning, Luke and I finally had a lay-in, which is so exciting because we haven't had one of those in a couple of weeks. Right now I'm making breakfast before we have to go to work, and then later today I'm going out to dinner with Tara because Tara is moving to Melbourne. What the hell? I am super excited for her. She's going to study fashion and I'm just like, damn girl, that is so crazy. She's my last best friend who's moving overseas to Melbourne. So yeah, we're going to work now.
To shut it down, right? Yeah.
Thanks. Bye. It's Tara.
I have the...
She's leaving tomorrow.
What?
Bitch.
I'm leaving the country because you're being Christian.
Tara's going now.
So scared. I have my things from my apartment.
Bye!
So good.
I can't see you though. Oh, there you are. There's Tara. Off she goes for her new life in Melbourne.
Trying to vlog.
I'm so excited. It's now 10 o'clock and Tara has left for Melbourne and I ended up crying. She left at like 9 I think, so just been crying a lot since she left because just moving to Melbourne and it just breaks my heart. But we're still gonna, like, I just have a lot of hang-ups about people moving and whether our friendship will withstand the distance. Because in the past I've had friendships that did not last when people moved overseas. But I've come to realise that takes a lot of effort to maintain these relationships. So I'm gonna put a lot of effort into my relationship with Tara and with Christian and with Caroline because they're my best friends. Now they're all overseas, which is crazy. And I'm gonna have to make some new friends, which is terrifying to me. It just scares me. So that's something that's scary, but I also have every weekend off until mid-August, which is also freaky, so I'm gonna have a lot of free time on my hands. Morning. So, wow, I look ridiculous. Luke and I are going to the grocery store. My mum is coming over for a visit, so we need to go get some pies. The bookstore. Eris, you're supposed to be eating a pie.
But you don't have your pie and you don't even have it.
So everyone has now gone, even Luke, he's gone to work, and and I'm home by myself. So I'm just gonna mope around on the sofa for a little bit and watch some YouTube. And then I'm gonna read, bake some brownies, relax. Hello. So I'm gonna be real with you. I'm eating a cupcake Mum made me, but I've just been crying for a while. Actually no, maybe half an hour. But I have been sitting on the sofa for a long time and just pondering life really, because Tara's moved to Melbourne and I'm excited, but I'm also sad for myself selfishly, because she's my best friend and Christian's already left and Caroline left 3 years ago, so it's very like, wow, all my friends are gone. And yeah, it's just been feeling poop. I am in my fluffy robe and we're gonna make some coffee. Except awkwardly I chose to lean you on my coffee mat. But let's lean you on the vase of flowers. Coffee.
This fear of failure, which is natural and shit, but I'm just not ready to admit of what I want to do in my life. And instead of admitting what I want to do in my life, I kind of just wallow in sadness and anxiety and, you know, that's not good. It's not fun either. Here's the brownie. It looks so good. Now we'll try to get in the oven.
So the brownie is now in the oven and I'm feeling so much better than I was before. Baking! Brownie is cooked, and doesn't it look so magical? And I'm making me some dumplings for dinner. Ooh, it's cool. And guess who's home?
Hello!
That's all you ever do. You only ever say hello. How is work?
Hello, work was shit.
What does you eat at work?
Pizza.
Pizza. I made dumplings for dinner. Yeah, yummy, delicious dumplings. It wasn't what I was going for, but it's still delicious. But brownies are so difficult to make. I can't get them right. Brownie time.
My routine with Estee Lauder nutritious microalgae cleansing jelly to remove impurities.
Must be.
Hello, good morning everyone and welcome to Sunday. It's my day off and I decided to try and do my hair because it just felt like looking cute. And today it's my day off and I'm gonna vacuum clean the room now. Luke's gone to work. What do people do on weekends? Like, for the past 2 years I've worked weekends, so now I have weekends off. I'm just like, what do I do with my time? Plus, plus my friends are living overseas now, so I gotta make new friends. And what do people do with themselves on the weekend? I don't know! I'm just in the middle of making the bed. Case in point, we don't have a bed base yet, which is why it's on the ground, because we couldn't get it up our stairs. Anyway, side note, our neighbours have gotten a dog, and Luke and I are like super smitten with it. You can see it from our bathroom. Oh, her name is Charlotte. I'm gonna show you. Okay, it turns out that the neighbours are home, and they've taken her inside, but one day I'll show you her. The bed is made. The bed is made. If you're wondering what that is, that was for Isabel when she came over, and we've left it there just in case she visits again. Okay, it doesn't look too good, but I'm having some lunch. It's like mince and spinach and tomatoes and onions. It's fake mince. I'm just gonna watch some YouTube and chill out. Okay, so I'm done with lunch, but because I have a direct view to my neighbor's house from the kitchen. And I saw they went out. Oh, you know what that means? You know what that means? It's time to see if Charlotte's there. She's not! What the fuck? They took her. She isn't there. I ended up having a nap, and now we're going for a walk at the beach because that's fun. Do you want to drive?
Okay. Do what I do whenever he walks. Just say hi.
My lovely boyfriend dragged me out of bed, literally by the feet, as I was having a nice nap. But it was a couple hours long, so he's okay. Before it rained from the beach, but then when we came out of the supermarket it was bucketing down, so my fringe, my beautiful fringe, has to be put back because it got damaged, and I don't know, we're probably just gonna make rain now. Hello! So it's Monday, I'm just getting ready for work now. Hello friend. Because they start soon. And nothing much else is happening until the end of the week. I mean, I have my internship on Wednesday, but aside from that, I'm not really doing anything. It's my last week at this job. My new job is in the same building, so it's not going to change much. But I will be like in a different role, and I have 10 days off in between. So I thought I would just end today's vlog here, and I'll come back to you guys. I'll start vlogging again on Friday because that's my last day at work and I'm getting a vegan cake, which is super exciting. So you guys will see that soon. Yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. It's nearly my birthday, so that makes me anxious because I don't like my birthday. Yeah. I just think that the rest of the week is going to be pretty boring. So either we'll jump ahead in time or I'll end the video here. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I know I said I would stop vlogging, but I've just gone home and I'm feeling super anxious. Well, not super anxious, but I can feel it starting. For me, it starts in my legs. So I thought, I don't know, we'll just talk to you a little bit about it. I don't know. Just felt like I needed I don't know, whatever. So I'm gonna go downstairs, we're gonna break some brownies, we're gonna feel better. Luke's gonna be home soon with the girls, and I'll just show you out my window. It's really overexposed, but look at that. Oh, they're over there. I don't know if you can see that, but pretty lights. So yes. Oof, I just feel like I can't walk properly. Yeah, so I'm feeling a little bit anxious. I'm going to make me a tiny sandwich real quick. And then I'm gonna start making some brownies because I've been really trying to nail the brownie recipe. So that's what I want to do. Ugh, I just feel real odd.